Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to import font in DaVinci Resolve. So I'm just install a free unlimited font and provide full guide. So open your any browser, like I'm open my Chrome browser. Go to search option, search there to free font download. Open this, then showing you to more website for download free font. Some just recommend you just open the font. You get here unlimited font, totally free. Showing you to font name list and suggest, or if you want to find exact font, go to search option, search here to font name. So like I'm just download this font. Press on to download option. Okay. Okay, now download complete. Go back, open file. Some recently download this font. This font is zip file. At first need to unzip. Press on extract all. Then unzip this file and open. Press on to double click. Then you get install option. Press on install. Okay, now install complete. So follow my font name and open DaVinci Resolve again. Okay, alright, write a text, add this text, now I'm find here recently installed font. Go to font family, my font name, and I'm recently installed this font and successfully had this font. If you have any question, let me know my comment box.